Hello, Brent Casey here to talk about the CS series of mics by Studio Projects. These are our flagship solid-state microphones, and they're specifically designed to have a great deal of features for a variety of situations you might encounter while recording. Now this is the CS5. The CS1 is similar to this, except that it has only 3 dials on it because it's a cardioid only. So for this video we'll be talking specifically referring to the CS5, and anything that we say other than the polar patterns relates to the CS1 as well. Now first of all, it's as you can see, a bottle mic. It has a 34mm capsule. It's our latest version of capsule. Very nice sounding, and the circuitry is designed specifically. It's an all-new circuit made to pretty much bring out the best in the what it's getting from the capsule. It has special compensation to create the best possible sound that you can get. So a bit about the features. On the front here we have, as you can see, a couple of rotating dials, and these are 5-position switches. So on the right here we have the pattern selection. This is omni through figure of 8. You have your wide cardioid and your hypercardioid in addition to the figure of 8, omni, and cardioid. On this side we have our pads. We have 4 different selections of pads that are 5 dB, 10 dB, 15, and 20 dB. So when you are recording sources that are higher SPL, maybe a drum kit or a guitar amp, if needed you can flip in these filters and adjust accordingly for the loudness of the sound that you're recording. On the back we have 2 additional rotating switches. They're 5 positions each, like the front switches. We have the high-pass filter, the bass cut, which is at, you can select 50 Hertz, 75 Hertz, 150 Hertz, or 300 Hertz. For whatever, maybe for 300 you'd be doing dial log, anything where you don't need that extraneous low frequency, you can filter it right out with the flip of a switch. The low-pass filter section, which is kind of unique to condenser mics, is the nomenclature is marked 15K, 7K, 5K, and 3K. Now the first setting, the 15K, actually affects the around 12.5 kilohertz, which is a fairly high frequency, but the capsule has a high degree of output, voltage output at that point. So that first filter setting is used to kind of zap that peak there and bring it down in line with the 10K, which is about 3 dB above linear. So this gives you a bit smoother sound. If you don't need that extra signal voltage in your high frequencies, you can take it out. It's especially good for vocals. If you're recording a source like a violin, then you definitely don't need that extra high frequency. So it's really good to be able to just take it right out with that first filter setting. The other 3 settings are low-pass filters that basically, starting around 1K, take your entire frequency response above there and just tilts it down at various decibel levels, which gives you basically a high-frequency cut. I've heard it described as being more ribbon mic-like or some such, but it has a sound of its own. It can give you different flavors of sound from one microphone, which is the beauty of the CS mics. And again, all of these features are the same for the CS1, except that it's a cardioid only. Now, another feature of the CS mics is the halo shock mount, and you can see here that it's the mic stand is holding it from the top. This piece here is also like a chunk of mic stand, basically. It's 5/8 27 threads, and inside of the 5/8 27 male threads, which are on both top and bottom of the mic, inside of there's female 3/8 16 threads. These are both standard mic stand sizes. So you can take this swivel adapter here and put it either on the top or the bottom. And this helps for multiple mic configurations or various placements. And it makes the Halo a very versatile mount, just like the microphone that it holds is quite versatile by virtue of its switching capabilities. All in all, it makes for a very good sounding package, a microphone that can do a variety of tasks. It can handle very high SPLs. It's a low noise microphone, and it has a very transparent type of sound that if nothing else adds to what you're recording. So all in all, a very good mic, a good mic choice, and something for you out there in mic land to consider on your next purchase. Thank you very much.